What's up everyone, this is Tyler Severance. I'm here with my friend Carlos, who I actually met hella randomly out at a spot in Philly called Graffiti Pier. He was just chilling with his friends yo-yoing. I was there with a couple other yo-yoers shooting some photos. We saw him and I was like, yo, I gotta go give that guy a yo-yo.
You gave this to me at Graffiti Pier. Remember I was doing tricks, you guys spotted me and you were like, hey, let me get you something. And this thing was awesome. I love this thing.
So many yo-yo players I think are adverse to meet other yo-yo players.
Yeah, no they don't.
So when I walk by someone, it's like, yo, you can even just know how to bind? Like, that's crazy.
Actually, fun fact, when you gave me the yo-yo, I totally forgot what the company was called. I saw that it said Joyride on it. I'm like, I googled it real quick and Recess popped. I'm like, oh, that's what it was. And
okay.
I typed it into Instagram. Found
it's like, imagine how douchey I would sound if I met you and I'm like, what's up, bro? Like, I'm a world champion. Like, here's the yo-yo, and you're like, oh, thanks, man. Like, you never want to hang out with me or anything. So it's like, man. I wanted to make sure you felt like welcomed and like it was cool. So and again, I'm glad that you did. To learn how to DNA, that's what we're gonna do today in this video. We're learning how to DNA because Carlos doesn't know how to DNA.
Not at all.
Do just a regular trick for me real quick.
Just a regular trick.
Yeah, so we can see what about your skill level is.
I can get into a boingy boing.
Oh, that's great, dude.
Get out of it.
You're a proficient player.
Into one
green
of those.
Triangle. Okay. Yeah, nah, that's
perfect
perfect though, dude. That's great. Seriously. Dude, you really went in on this guy.
Yeah.
Is it still pretty smooth?
It's here, try it out. It's pretty decent. I'm right back
this
to the
is an
Joyride.
older Joyride, and I did DNA with a knife on it, and it's just. Let me see. You said you've been kind of trying DNA, or let me see you just try it real quick and see how close you are. Because in that yo-yo, it's gonna be really hard.
Yeah.
All right, dude, you basically got it. I bet if you try the Skyva, it's gonna be a wrap. Try the Skyva. Paranoid. Give me a good couple throws, get used to it. Oh gosh, that could have been tragic. Let me see you throw horizontal again.
Just do it this
Alright.
way?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you throw into it, take your other hand. I kind of stop mine and I grab it very haphazardly. But when I throw it, I kind of stop the momentum with my other hand, then use this hand to throw the yo-yo up, and then that way it kind of will get into place. So get your non-throw hand ready before you even throw.
So I have it.
Yeah, kind of spit it out. Yeah, there you go.
I'm throwing it into my hand.
Yeah. There you go. Then just toss it up. There you go. Did you kind of feel it for a second?
Yeah.
Just like you were mentioning before we started recording, as soon as you let your string slack, it's going to start to grab on the yo-yo and then twist around.
I've had that issue already.
So what you want to do, as soon as you feel it lock in, start to pull your throw hand away. Watch mine. I throw it up, I lock in, and then I pull my non-throw hand away.
Yeah.
You're good. Hey!
Almost.
Dude, that was so much closer.
I'm gonna get it.
Hey!
Okay.
You felt it though?
Yeah, I felt it lock.
There you go, man. Try not to be so rigid too. I know it sounds crazy, but as soon as it is starting to touch your finger, kind of come down with it a little bit too.
Kendama.
Yeah. Yes, I wanted to say kendama, but I didn't want to just assume. Hey, that was it. Hey, oh, that was it, dude. There, that was so good, dude.
Nope.
Fine.
Straight back up into the hand.
You're just a little too stiff.
Yeah.
A little too erect on that one, bro. So when I start to throw it, I start on the left side of my body, and then kind of I'll turn my waist too, and then kind of throw it diagonal that way. And then as you bring the yo-yo over this way, do you see how it starts to turn over completely sideways?
So you kind of throw it this way.
Oh. Woo! Be careful. When you throw it, start here, and then you see how as I turn my body, the yo-yo starts to turn more sideways. Yeah.
Even when I just do it like this, I feel like.
Oh, that'll work now. There you go.
That will stable it out.
Did you see it went into place though?
Yeah.
Adjust your string tension again. Just do it like that. Once you get it on your finger, remember pull your non-throw hand really far away. There you go. Pull it away. There you go. Don't even bind it. Just hold on to it. Just hold on to it there.
Get into it. Pull it away.
There you go. There you go. All right, and then watch me. So there you go.
This way. Wrap it in. Okay.
Yeah, just like that.
I got you.
So once you're there, and you flip it over this way, you just literally come to the left side of the yo-yo and then pull up.
Okay.
And DNA, you don't need much spin to get it to.
Yeah.
Once it's locked in.
If
you get over to the side, right? It'll with nothing. Literally, it's barely spinning and it just locks in. There you go. All right, left side. around the yo-yo. Ah, so close!
That was it.
There you go.
That's it.
Alright, wait for it. There you go. Ah! Try to keep it a little bit lower when you start to, because the more that you push it up, like the more the string is gonna push down into the yo-yo, and then it's gonna do that. Gotcha. So like the lower you keep it, it'll make it easier just to throw it over. And...
Gotcha. Get in there. Get in
there. There you go. There you go. Oh, that was it.
Oh. Ow. That was a good one.
Wait for it.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Ah, so close, man. You gotta kind of get the yo-yo parallel with the string that's on your arm. You see how like your yo-yo's like up here and you're trying to do this, and like the string is vertical, but the yo-yo's, yeah, exactly. So keep it like this, and then as soon as you pull up, it'll start DNA. Alright, wait for it, wait for it. Alright, there you go, there you go, there you go! Ah!
This one. This is it. I'm calling it right now.
Alright, flip it over, keep it horizontal. There you go, pull up! Hey! Let's go!
Yes! Yes!
That was it!
Yes! My arm hurts!
Dude, I wasn't gonna put this pressure on you to say I wasn't gonna give you this unless you landed DNA, but here's all this swag I brought you. I brought you a new Tropic Alien.
Sweet.
And I brought you,
Alien? Holy crap.
Yeah, I brought you some bearings, and then I brought you some yo-yos to give away to your friends or whoever too. So that way, whoever you know wants one, you can give them away, and they don't have to be one of yours. Because I know you probably hook your friends up with,
yeah,
like,
I always do, yeah.
You know, your yo-yos you actually play with.
Yeah.
Dude, you did awesome.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm gonna get it even better. I'm gonna be sending you clips, man.
Dude, I can't wait.
Didn't they sell out?
No.
No, they didn't?
No.
What? Dude, this is hard. Yeah, I got the blood drip. Hold up. Your strings, anyways.
Hey.
But it's smooth. Oh, it's not.